Hey guys, it's Lou Bortone. How you doing? We have a special treat for you this week. If you're on my email list, I'm going to be answering the key questions around video marketing. So I'm calling the series Your Video Questions Answered, based on a lot of questions that I get on video marketing. And I'm really going to kind of do this in a who, what, when, where, how, why sort of fashion. So on Monday, we'll talk about who is your ideal target market for video. Tuesday, we'll talk about what you should say so people will take action. Wednesday will be when, as in when and how often should you post your videos. Thursday, we'll talk about where to post your videos, what platforms are best for you. And Friday, we'll talk about how. How do you create the best possible video to generate return on investment? So today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the why, which should be pretty apparent, but in case it isn't, I'll give you a couple of stats here. One of the reasons why video is so powerful is because, well, we all kind of grew up on it with TV and stuff like that, and now screens are ubiquitous. They are everywhere, and we have sometimes several on at the same time. So the big thing about video is that viewers retain 95% of a message when they see it on a video or visually versus just 10% when they read it in text. So video is a very powerful, memorable, breakthrough format. In fact, 72% of people would rather watch a video than read text. So give folks what they want. Give them that video. They like to watch, and they prefer to watch over reading. And the last stat I'll give you for today on why to do video is that marketers who use video grow revenue 49% faster than those who don't. So video is a great way to cut through the clutter. It's the way we are consuming information and entertainment these days. So get on with it, and tune in this week and watch your emails, because I'll be answering the who, what, when, where, why, how of video. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email at vip@loubortone.com. Thanks. Bye for now.